L43A2, and so this one is a little different. You'll notice it's one color on the front face. So this one you actually slide down in. The catch is built into the body of the connector, so there's nothing to remove up front. You would just slide your screwdriver down in there. It's going to have to be a real small jeweler screwdriver. We do sell those on the website in I believe a 12-piece set and a 16-piece set, but I might be wrong on that 12-piece. I think it's a little bit smaller. We do have all that stuff listed in our tools. So with that little small screwdriver, you'll slide down in there. You do have to remove your rear lock first, which you'll find that out pretty quick if you don't. So a little bit different style. You don't have a front lock, you do have a rear lock. So once you remove that rear lock, and these are pretty easy to do, you just have to kind of lift up the catches on there and pop them up, and I can kind of show you real quick just so you get an idea. And sorry, doing this on camera is a little hard sometimes. So we'll lift up. I do side by side, right? Or we should say corner by corner. And so kind of lift up. I'm pushing as I'm lifting up. And then you'll see it'll just pop up right now. Come off. So you can pull off that rear lock. Then you can release your terminals. Same deal, removing that rear lock shows you that this one is a sealed connector just like the other ones, because this is for your fog lamps. It's going to be in the engine bay. So again, oversized seal because you don't want water penetration into that connector. Put this lock back on.